Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the heart of Kingston 6 at Fairlane Avenue is this Spanish style residence for sale. It sits on just under an half acre of beautifully landscaped grounds with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This spacious 6,351 square feet home offers a perfect blend of charm and functionality. The main level has two well-appointed bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a home office, a TV room, a living room, a dining room, a pantry off the kitchen, 2 verandas, a laundry room, and an outdoor paved entertainment area that is canopied by a mango tree. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, as well as a home office and 2 verandas. This property has both a front garden and a rear garden that is lush and lined with fruit trees, and also a dog run to the side. Other amenities include covered parking, a staff room, an automatic gate, an automatic generator switch, a water tank, and a rainwater harvesting system for efficiency. A property like this is a rare find these days, especially in one of Kingston's most sought after locations. Call to arrange an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 950,000 or Jamaican $149.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.